everybody. So today we are in, well, almost in Sedona, Arizona. We stopped here on the side of the road to start this video sequence because we saw, well, for one thing, we were holding up traffic. I don't recall anyone ever mentioning the road 89A to Sedona and how very curvy and downhill it is. So we were holding up some traffic, so we kind of pulled over on this little side pull-off spot on the highway. And what a pretty spot to pull over. Look at that. I don't know if you can hear the water rushing. It may not be coming through on the mic, but it's moving pretty good and it's really pretty here. So we're gonna head on into Sedona and check the town out, and we'll get some pictures and some video of all the pretty that's in and around Sedona, and then we got to go find a place to sleep for the night. We were gonna go stop on Forestry Road 535, which is pretty much the one everyone talks about. It's closed, so
along with all the rest of them that were up and down through there, all the gates are closed. So
all of them.
Not for sure it's because they got too much rain. They don't want people up there in the mud, or what the deal is. So
don't know. So we'll have to figure out something else for sleeping tonight. But anyway, okay, we'll see you in a little bit. So we made it through the little downtown area of Sedona, which is very touristy, right, babe?
Yep.
It's like nothing but little shops and terrible like road. I don't know. It's just hard to get through. You know, I mean, sure, if you're a single little car, you know, that's probably not a big deal. But trying to pull your trailer through there, yeah, I wouldn't suggest it. I mean, we made it through, but they, you know, put in a couple of roundabouts, and they are doing road work and putting in median stuff, and I don't know, it just was kind of a hassle to get through it. And not knowing where we were going, we just turned down this road and we ended up at this park. Do you remember the name of the park?
No.
Posse? I don't know, something. But yeah, this is a very pretty park. So we're kind of up on this little hill area that looks like many people have come up on to take pictures. And this is the view from here. And it's really awesome. And this is the little park grounds. There's even like a little yard swing. And this is the pavilion area, they call it. Little garden. Tons of bees in that. So for all my bee friend channels, there's whatever that tree is, there's a lot of your little bees in it, and restrooms, and really clean. Okay, so we drove up the airport road to the airport Vista Overlook. If you're just in a vehicle, single vehicle, it's like $3 a day to park. RVs and trucks with trailers were $6. So they do have, I'll turn it around here. I'll get out of the road though, in case somebody comes up here. They have pretty ample parking. I don't know if you can kind of see us back over there off to the left, but it's a pretty good area there. They do say that it fills up at sunset because everybody wants the pictures of these rocks. And as you can see, they are beautiful. What a gorgeous view right here. Very, very, very pretty. What was it, about a mile and a half, something up the airport road? I don't know. It didn't seem like it was a very long drive. It's like straight up though, so yeah, it's pretty steep. But yeah, this is really absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so this is the touristy area of Sedona. Look at this crazy mess. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of neat little shops here, but we are not even going to begin to attempt to get out and try to shop at any of this stuff. They have, as far as we can tell, nothing that is RV trailer friendly parking so that you can get out and check any of these shops out. So we're not gonna waste our time trying. But it is neat, and if you are here with just a small vehicle, you know, even at that, you're probably going to struggle finding parking. It is a really pretty view. I mean, it's neat how it's set up. It's really pretty and cool, and the shops are done really neat. And there's a wine tasting right there. Darn it!
It's supposed to be free parking down here, but I don't.
Yeah, probably car parking though. Yeah, so that's like really far down in there, guys. Don't drive off the edge. I think somebody might have, because they had some tow trucks and what, really long, big, heavy cables and things at the side of the road. So we're not sure what they were doing, but we're hoping somebody didn't drive off the edge, because my gosh, look how beautiful that is. We're coming to a stop because they're doing a little road work up here. So we've left Sedona, and we thought on our closing here that we would just go ahead and show you a little bit of this Highway 89A and how curvy it is, and that's to put it mildly. Very curvy. There's actually a really large RV, about 4 vehicles up from there, right there. You probably see it. I can't imagine driving that. Is it a charter bus?
Yeah.
But I can't imagine driving that down here. This is crazy curvy. Very pretty. It is a very pretty scenic road though. And of course we're going up as we're leaving. So when you're coming into Sedona, you're going downhill on all these curves all the way. Make sure your brakes are in good working order, for sure. Especially if you're pulling something or driving one of these large rigs, you for sure want to make sure you got good brakes. But the scenery is pretty amazing. Get in front of your view while you're driving. I'm trying to show the people the view. So that pretty much gives you an idea. How many miles do you think of this curvy there was? I don't know. It was only, Sedona's only what, 27 miles from Flagstaff or something like that. But it's like almost an hour drive. And it's because of these curves. So thanks for coming along with us on our little trip to Sedona. If you haven't followed us on Instagram, be sure and do that, because we post a lot of pictures on there that we don't put in our videos. So be sure and check us out on there, and it's just Happy Place Camping, easy find. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, we would really love for you to do so. And make sure you hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when we upload new videos. You're always more than welcome to share any of our videos, and please give us a big thumbs up. we hope to see you again on our next